This kanji have the meaning of year. When we say about the year in Japanese, we will say about this kanji. And this kanji have the onyomi reading like nen and kunyomi reading like toshi. So this kanji have only two sound reading. As you see here, we have nen and toshi. So every time we talk about the nen, we talk about the year. We write this kanji. So let's see about the compound word of this kanji. How do they use for this kanji? Nen. Nen is mean year in AD, or we will use to counter for a year. For example, this year we say 2023, right? So we say in Japanese, we say 2023年. Or if we say in the year 1999, in Japanese we will say 1999年. Like this. 去年. 去年 is mean last year. Nen is mean the year, but kyo is mean for in the past. The kanji of kyo is mean in the past, so that means the past year, so it means last year. Lainen is mean next year. Lai is mean the future. So this kanji, the kanji lai is mean the time in the future. So we say lainen is mean the time, the next year. So it for next year. 四年is mean several years. For the kanji of 四 or kazu is mean the number. So number of the year, so it mean when we put the kanji of 四 is mean number of 0. So when we put the kanji of 四 and then which means several year. Nenrei is mean age or years. Nenrei is mean we will use for the people. For example, how old are you, or how old is that thing? So for example, we say 年齢はいくつですか? 年齢はいくつですか is mean, for example, how old are you, or what is your age, something like this. So we call 年齢. Lei is from the year of the people. So you put nen is mean age or year of the person or of the thing. Kingnen is mean recent years. The kanji king is mean the recent. For example, saikin is mean the recent. So the king is mean the king is mean is have the meaning that recent. For example, michikai or something like the recent. So when we put this kanji, the king to be named, so we say about the recent years king name.